There is one really quick feature that I would be remiss in not showing you. Let's say you had a little typo and you didn't notice, like the quick brown fox. How would you find this in Photoshop? Now, in most word editing programs, text programs, all of that, you'd have a little wiggly line saying, hey, there's a spelling error. Well, in Photoshop, if you go to Edit, you have Check Spelling. And if you click Check Spelling, while you have the text layer selected, it will go through and it will go, hey, this isn't in the dictionary. Did you mean maybe quirk? Well, no, but hey, I do mean quick. So go ahead and change that one. And spell check's complete. Now, what if you wanted to do a spell check across multiple or edit multiple pieces? Well, you just select them in your layers palette. I'm using the control key to click two of them together. You can also shift, but keep in mind the difference. I'm going to start on the bottom here. Shift and click on the top will select everything in between. Control and click on the top will just select those two. You can also shift click, and then control click to deselect certain ones. So just a reminder on that. Now, we could go ahead and do a find and replace and change quick with fast. And notice that we have search all layers, so we don't necessarily have to click in this one. We could go forward, ignore accents, be case sensitive or not, the whole word only. Anyway, if we change all, we have the fast brown fox. And notice it left the font alone, so that's pretty nice too. I'm just going to undo that. Now, as for the spell check, let's do a quack there, and a quick here. So if we have them both selected, we go to Edit, and we check spelling, it will go here, and we will change it, and it will go here, and we'll say, hey, that one's wrong too. We will change it to quick as well. There we go. So you do have a spell check, you have a find and replace, and you also have a search, which will allow you to well, actually, it's the wrong search, sorry. Find and replace is the one I was thinking of. Again, just don't do a replace. You can go between it. Search is for something else. That's kind of amusing to me, though, that they did put it with the check spelling and find and replace rather than apart. So that's my bad. So there is a spelling and a find and replace. Very useful tools. All right, see you next video.